I'm Heidi Hewitt, here with Thomas Longnecker. Thomas, has the AutoCAD automation that you've implemented affected the collaboration between groups at Kone?
I believe it has. The sales department and the engineering department have always kind of been at odds with each other because the sales department would order an elevator and the engineer would try to create an elevator that was to their specifications, and most of the time they got it right. But if there was ever any mistakes, the engineer would say, well, that's what you asked for. The sales department would say, no, it wasn't. And there was a lot of striking at each other through this automation process. The salesman enters that information into a database, and on the back end we extract that information from the database and create these drawings. And we've developed to the point where the drawings can go directly back to the sales department without the engineer even seeing it on particular types of elevators. And so it really has, that dark, thick line is more of a thin gray line now between the engineering department and the sales department, because the sales department can't say that's not what I asked for because it's in the database and the engineer didn't put that information in there, And the engineer too, it holds him responsible for the mistakes that they might make from time to time. Not that Kone makes any mistakes, yeah, it has changed the way that the departments look at, and it's affected Kone's, I don't know, the way they look at drawings within the company and how they use them. Before a salesperson would need drawings, they'd have to ask the engineering department for those drawings, and it could take a week to get them back. Now it's a matter of minutes. They get a drawing back and able to put in a bid that night before they go home.
It seems like they're much more of a shared tool now than
absolutely.
they were before.
Now the sales department doesn't really see AutoCAD so much. It's all happens in the background for them. Yeah. They
see the product that they need from AutoCAD.
Exactly. And AutoCAD becomes a tool. It becomes something that we can all use, and it's a tool,
Great. All right, that sounds like a wonderful solution. Thanks, Thomas.